check this out. This is a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. It's been beautifully restored. This is by far one of the prettiest rear ends on a Mustang. Just gorgeous. One of my personal faves. Beautiful rear end, dual exhaust. This is a 289 C code 2-barrel engine, and this is a 4-speed car, which is really cool. It is not a real GT, although it does have the fog lights. It has the GT hubcaps, the dual exhaust, obviously. Beautifully restored interior. You got bucket seats with a console, 4-speed. You got the wood grain. It was super nice on the end of the door here. All the hardware was off when they painted the car. Same with on the latch over here. Of course, being a fastback, it does have the fold down rear seat. That's pretty sweet. It's got the headrests. It also has the overhead console, which is a cool option to see. Fires up nice and easy. Even the seatbelt light comes on. All right, there's our emergency brake. I'll try the fan. Oh, and there goes the fan. Fan blower motor's blowing up there for the defrost. We have no horn. There's our wipers. Love the console with the little cubby. That's pretty cool. And it does have a aftermarket radio. That seems to be working. Glove box. I'm going to turn the fog lights on for you. There are your fog lights. Super cool feature to have. Alright, under the hood, there you have it. There is your 289 cubic inch Ford V8 C code 2-barrel. Does have power brakes, brand new master cylinder on there. And it does have power steering, which is awesome to have. Good throttle response out of the engine. You can see here you got your turn signal indicators looking back at you when you're behind the wheel, which is a cool feature. Super clean under the hood. Alright, now we're moving on to the paint and body, the biggest feature of the car. Paint is beautiful. Paint's 5 to 10 years old is when this paint was done, and it just shows awesome. It's in super good shape. These are radial TA tires. date code 2007 on the tires. They still look like they're in really good shape, but keep that in mind. They are older BF Goodrich tires. Love the dash with the center console and the overhead console. That's just too cool. Doors shut really nice over here. Same thing. Jams are really nicely done. Same thing. No overspray on any of the bolts. This is one imperfection you need to know about right here. Passenger side rear quarter. There is a crack there that has been touched up. That's about the worst spot on the whole car. If you're interested in this 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback, please scroll down. There's a link in the description. Take you right to our website. There you'll be able to find the undercarriage pictures. You can check that out, see how clean it looks under there. You can find our high resolution pictures of the whole car, and as well as our asking price. So if you'd like to learn more, or you'd like to make an offer, don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.